Welcome to this beginner-friendly guide on using enumerations, or enums, for effective state control and programming. Understanding enums is a crucial step for writing cleaner and more maintainable code, providing a structured way to manage states. Enums provide a powerful way to define a set of named constant values, creating a custom type with predefined options. This enhances code readability, making it easier to understand and reduces common programming errors by ensuring valid inputs. Think of an enum as a custom data type that allows you to assign meaningful names to a fixed list of related options. This provides clear, descriptive labels for specific states or categories, moving beyond generic numbers or strings. Instead of using arbitrary numbers or strings, enums offer a clear, self-documenting way to represent states or categories. The code itself explains its purpose, leading to more intuitive and understandable logic without needing extensive comments. Let's define an enum for a player's state in a game, which could include distinct actions like idle, walking, running, and jumping. This practical example demonstrates how enums effectively manage various player behaviors within game development. Here's how you might declare a player state enum in many programming languages. You define the enum keyword, its name player state, and then explicitly list each possible state like idle, walking, running, and jumping within its scope. Each of these states, like idle or jumping, is a distinct member of our player state enumeration. These are specific, named constants representing a particular condition or action the player can be in, providing clarity and structure. Now, let's see how we can use this player state enum to control our player's behavior within the game logic. This integration highlights the true benefits of enums for state management, simplifying complex conditional flows and making your code more robust. A common approach is to use a switch statement, which provides a clean way to execute different code blocks based on the current player state. This ensures precise control over actions and animations, allowing your program to react distinctly and appropriately. For example, if the player's state is walking, the game might play a walking animation and update their position. This ensures the character's movement and visual representation are perfectly synchronized with their current state, creating a seamless experience. If the state changes to jumping, a jump animation would play, and the player's vertical velocity would be adjusted. This simulates the upward and downward trajectory of a jump, ensuring the character's actions adhere to the game's physics and visual expectations. Enums also work well with if-else conditions, providing flexibility for simpler state checks. This is useful when you only need to check for one or two specific states, offering a straightforward way to manage conditional logic without a full switch statement. One of the biggest benefits of enums is type safety. The compiler ensures you only use valid, defined states, preventing typos or invalid values. This compile time checking catches potential errors early, making your code more robust and reliable. This significantly reduces bugs compared to using magic numbers or raw strings, which lack compile time checking. Errors might only surface during runtime, making them harder to detect and debug, increasing development time and frustration. Enums also greatly improve code readability. When you see player state running, you immediately understand its meaning and intent. This clarity reduces the need for extensive comments, making your code much easier to follow for anyone reading it. Compare that to a number like 2 or a string like run, which requires you to remember or look up its context. Such ambiguous values introduce confusion and slow down comprehension, making your code harder to maintain and prone to misinterpretation. For beginners, choosing meaningful names for your enum members is crucial for maintaining clear and understandable code. Well-chosen names act as self-documentation, making your intentions explicit and reducing cognitive load for anyone reading your code. Avoid overly generic names. Instead, opt for descriptive terms that accurately reflect the state or option. For instance, use player state, active instead of state 1 to convey immediate meaning, ensuring clarity and preventing misinterpretation. Enums are not just for player states. They can represent anything with a fixed set of options, like difficulty levels, menu options, or item types. This versatility makes them invaluable for structuring various aspects of your application, providing consistent definitions. By using Enums, you centralize the definition of these options, making your code easier to modify and maintain. Changes to options only need to be made in one place, significantly improving code management and reducing potential errors. If you need to add a new state, you simply update the enum definition, and the compiler will guide you to all places that need adjustment. This ensures completeness and prevents omissions, making the process of extending your application safer and more efficient. This structured approach is invaluable for collaborative projects and long-term code health. It ensures consistency across teams and contributes to the stability of your code, making it more robust and less prone to errors throughout its lifecycle. In summary, enumerations are a powerful tool for managing states and options in your programs. They provide a structured and reliable foundation for building complex systems with clarity, making your code more organized and easier to reason about. They enhance readability, enforce type safety, and simplify maintenance, especially for beginners. Enums make logic easier to follow, catch potential errors early, and streamline updates and debugging, contributing to a smoother learning curve. Start incorporating enums into your projects today to write cleaner, more robust, and more understandable code. This will set a strong foundation for your development journey, improving your overall programming practices and making your applications more reliable.